Hi everyone, today I'll be making strawberry habanero everything spread. And it's called everything spread because you can put it on your toast, you can put it on chicken, you can put it on hamburgers. Anything that you want a sweet heat on, you can add that. So what all goes into the strawberry habanero everything spread? 2 pounds of fresh strawberries, hulled and quartered. 2 habaneros, seeds and veins removed. 3 cups sugar, and 2 tablespoons orange juice. So let's begin. So take your 2 pounds of strawberries, rinse them, hull them, and quarter them. And put them in a large heavy saucepan. Put in your 3 cups of sugar. Your 2 habaneros, seeded and deveined, and always use gloves for that. You don't want to get that burning in your nose or your eyes. And I cut these in pieces. It didn't say to, but I figured it would mix better that way. And your 2 tablespoons of orange juice. Turn the heat to medium, stirring often. And bring it up to a boil. So it is boiling. Stir occasionally for about 20 to 35 minutes until a candy thermometer reaches 225. So after 35 minutes, the temperature reached 225 on the candy thermometer. I'm going to turn the heat down to low. And then it says either take it out, put it in a food processor and mash it up, take a potato masher. I'm going to try to use my potato masher on my immersion blender. I've never tried it. We'll see. Let's see how that looks. Well, that worked pretty good. Not too many left. I'll hit it again for a few minutes. Remove it from the heat. So you want to take a mason jar. Make sure it's sanitized. I already have mine sanitized. And I have my handy dandy little ladle here, and I'm filling up the jars. I don't know how many these will make. I did like the immersion blender. It does have a few little chunks, which would be good for a spread. You just don't want the whole strawberries. So I want to fill them up to this line here and wipe the tops of it off. And then set it aside and let it cool until room temperature. I'll finish that up and I'll be right back. So it did make 5 half-pint jars of the strawberry habanero everything spread. So we'll let that cool to room temperature and then I'll give it a taste test for you. So here are my 5 jars of strawberry habanero everything spread. So you store them in the refrigerator. I'll be making a bagel and I'll put some of that on the bagel and do a taste test. It is a little runnier than I thought it was going to be, but maybe it just needs to set in the refrigerator for a while. See, it does have some pieces of strawberry. And this may be good for cooking, especially if it's going to stay thin. So you can put it on your hamburgers or chicken or pork, whatever you want to put it on. So I will give you a taste test and let you know my thoughts. All right, so my thoughts on the strawberry habanero everything spread. Let's try it out. I taste the strawberries with a little bit of heat from the habaneros, but I am getting a little bit of afterburn, but it's really, really good. I definitely think this would be good on hamburgers or chicken. I think it'll give it the nice sweet heat you're looking for. So stay tuned and be on the lookout for me using this spread on some kind of meat. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.